Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Hat, Key, Sack. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for level 1. The only items you're gonna need, you're gonna use a hat and a paper ball. Now what you're gonna do is using your dominant foot, you're gonna drop your paper ball and kick it, and you're gonna try to catch it in your hat. So if your dominant foot is kicking, your non-dominant hand is catching, okay? So this is what it looks like. Drop and kick, and I'm gonna try to catch it. And I'm gonna have 1 minute to pop and catch and see how many times I can pop and catch my hat key sack. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'll give this a try in just a moment. All right, here we go, level 1. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Again, I'm gonna drop, kick, and catch. That's 1, 2, oh, just missed. Oh, missed. 3, 4, that was a boot. 5, 6, 7, oh, just missed. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, and time. So in 1 minute challenge, I got 14 pop and catches with my hat key sack. So get ready for level 2. All right, here we go. So now level 2, I'm gonna use my non-dominant foot to kick and my dominant hand to catch. 2, 1, and go. All right, 1. Whoa! Need to develop a strategy where you should take it as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so for my non-dominant foot, I was only able to get 9 pop and catches with my hat key sack. Get ready for level 3. All right, so now we're moving on to level 3. As you notice, I did bring a basket into the activity. I still have my hat and my paper ball. I'm gonna count about 6 steps away from my basket. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn around, and this is gonna be my starting line. I'm then gonna drop my paper ball inside of my hat. Now I'm gonna use the portion right underneath my shoelaces or the inside of my foot to kick my hat and launch my paper ball and try to make it in the basket. So it looks like this. Okay. That'll be 1 try. Or again, I can use the portion under my shoes. Boom! Shakalaka, just like that. So, your goal is to see how many points you can score in 1 minute. 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh, too hard. Develop a strategy. How are you gonna get your hat key sack inside the basket? Oh, just kidding. Too high. Like inside of my foot. Up. 1 point. And at the buzzer. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game, Hat, Key, Sack. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the activity and what modifications you would have made or changed. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to use our hashtag, the PE spot, so we can see those modifications in action. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.